Hello everyone, my name is Marlaba Agustina. I'm the English literature student from Universitas Sumatera Utara. So this video is meant to fulfill the first assignment from a subject translation as a profession. In this video, I will talk about transgression and how to transgression the slogan. Before we talk more about transgression and how to transgression the slogan, we should know first what the meaning of transgression. Transgression is a term formed by the word translation and creation, and is notion used in translation studies to represent the process of adapting a message from one language to another. Transgression emphasizes the translator's creative contribution. So usually people think translation and transgression are the same thing to do. But we should know from this video, transgression and translation are both language products, but they fulfill different function and involve distinct procedure. Translation is the process of transferring a text from one language to another while retaining its original meaning. It focuses on accurately translating the original text to the target language, or we can say it's the literal translator. The translation is appropriate for informational context and is frequently used in legal, technical, or academical document where the meaning must be represented accurately. Meanwhile, transgression is the act of translating text from one language to another while retaining the same tone, aim, and style. It requires creative customization to better connection with the intended audience and culture. Transgression is frequently used for creative marketing-oriented content such as slogan and advertising campaign. Okay, before we do the slogan transgression, we should know the meaning of slogan. Slogan is a short, catchy clause used to promote an idea or product. It's an iconic phrase that reflects the brand concept and leave a lasting impression on customer. In the context of slogan, transgression is utilized to adapt the message to the target language and cultural while retaining the original idea and tone. This is significant since slogan may not always translate smoothly into foreign language, and direct translation may not resonate with the intended audience. Transgression enables the creation of new slogan and still capsulate the company voice message in a localized and culturally relevant manner. So, there are the 3 steps to do a translation. First is pre-translation. In this stage, we should plan the project, identify the requirements for translation, and determining the scope of the project. The second step is translation. In this step, the source content is translated into the target language and generate a meaning that is unique and relatable to hear. So in this process, there are 2 processes. First, the translation, and second is the transcreation. After that, the last step is post-translation. In this step, editing, proofreading, and other quality control measurement to verify that the translate you have done before have transferred or translate information achieve the necessary level of quality. So, the slogan that we will do for transgression is from Disneyland Japan. The slogan is, "Where dreams come true." So, we use the 3 steps of translation. The first is pre-translation. In this step, the project we will do is Disneyland Japan slogan "Where dreams come true", and it will be transferred or translated to Bahasa Indonesia. The second step is we should know the literal meaning of the slogan "Where dreams come true" when we translate it to Indonesia. So, the literal meaning of "Where dreams come true" in Bahasa Indonesia is di mana mimpi menjadi kenyataan. After that, we translate the di mana mimpi menjadi kenyataan to more catchy, unique, and iconic to say. So the result is di sini harapan akan terwujud. And the last step, when you done the translation and the transcription, is the post translation. You can submit the translation result to the proofreader. Once it's appropriate, give it to the translation project manager, and the translation project manager will ask the consumer is the translate is like what they need. So in conclusion, the Disney slogan "Where Dream Come True" has been transferred into bahasa Indonesia. Di sini mimpi akan terwujud, transform into a strong and inspirational statement that appeals to people of all age. Disney is able to appeal the ambition, optimistic, inclusive vocabulary that all people have for happiness and contentment. The Disney dedication to providing its client with amazing experience is reflected in the slogan, which also act as a reminder that everything is possible if we have faith in our goal and ourselves. Disney transcription keeps inspiring, delighting its fans while serving as ray of optimism and opportunity in a world that is frequently filled with uncertainty. So, that's all my presentation about slogan and transcription. Hope you like my explanation. Hope you enjoy the material so you can know more about transcription and slogan. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye bye.